Samsung's getting ready to drop the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 this July, but the internet couldn't wait. We've already got a juicy image leak showing off one of these next-gen foldables. And yeah, it looks pretty real, possibly from an early test unit out in the wild. The leaked shot shows a hands-on glimpse of what's allegedly the Galaxy Z Fold 7, focusing on the camera side. The camera layout looks a lot like the Fold 6, but Samsung has moved the LED flash closer to the middle of the bump this time. What's really catching eyes, though, are the new design tweaks. The Fold 7 seems to be borrowing some style cues from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, like those slightly rounded corners and that signature colorway. And based on the image, it looks like Samsung's going for a wider cover screen, which should make it feel way better in hand. If this leak's the real deal, Samsung's definitely refining the foldable game in all the right ways. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is pretty slim and has decent cameras, but honestly, it still can't quite keep up with some of the foldable phones coming out of China. Those book-style foldables from Chinese brands usually pack thinner bodies, bigger batteries, and faster charging. Pretty impressive stuff. But here's the exciting part. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might just snag the title of the world's thinnest foldable phone, and Samsung's planning to make it even tougher by using titanium. Yep, according to Thielek, Samsung's aiming to slap titanium on the backplates of the Z Fold 7 and its upcoming first trifold phone, both expected to drop in the second half of the year. The backplate is basically the support piece between the hinge and the folding screen. Samsung's used different materials over the years: stainless steel for the early Fold models, carbon fiber for the Z Fold 3, and then titanium for the special edition. Titanium's awesome because it's super light but also crazy strong, although it's trickier to manufacture. One cool trade-off, though: the Z Fold 7 probably won't have an S Pen digitizer, which helps keep things slim. Instead, Samsung's working on a new OLED screen that can sense a stylus without needing that extra digitizer layer, kinda like what Apple does with its stylus tech. Samsung's teaming up with HiDeep for this, but it's still a bit unclear when we'll actually see it in the Galaxy Z series. So yeah, Samsung's pushing some cool new tech and materials. Can't wait to see how this foldable race heats up. Make sure to subscribe to never miss any Galaxy updates. See you in the next one. Peace out.